here. It's here. Finally, it arrived. Ooh. There's a box. For God's sake. And the box is a little ripped. But fear not. I just wanted to inform about that because a lot of people get very, well, what's the word? They get a bit concerned when the box is a bit ripped up when it arrives. But fear not. These, for example, are extremely common. This is because they're handles. They tend to rip, sadly, but that's the truth. It's only a box. Now, I did watch him take it out of the van, and he was very gentle and nice about it, so it's not his fault. Everything else looks fine. So yeah, there's a rip here, and again, I'm not concerned at all, actually. I know a lot of people tends to kick up a fuss about it, but these things happen. There's not going to be a problem with the car seat on this, and the way I know that is because the box is protecting the car seat. That's its job. That's why it's in the box in the first place. And the box is shock absorbent, which also means that it can take a knock. And considering travel, both from out of the country, from Sweden, to here, to the warehouses, out of the warehouses, etc., they're bound to have a few knocks on them. It's just how it goes. It's not really anything to worry about. I consider this completely normal. A normal amount. Obviously, if it came ripped apart completely, I would have had a little bit more of an issue with it. But these tears are quite normal. Let's see if we can open up this and take a look at this beauty. Now, I was sent this. Let's get this out of the way. I was sent this by Axkid, and it is any day now. Let's have a look. It is the new Axkid Minikid 2.0. Well, we seem to have come to call it the 2.0 over the internet. It's just called the Axkid Minikid, but to sort of change the name a little bit to keep it separate from the old version. The new version goes by, 2.0 or Axkid 2018. So if I just hang on, I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so got that out of the way. It's out of the box now, and I just have to say, straight out of the box, I mean, the packaging was completely sealed as well. So the fact that the box was ripped isn't a problem. The packaging was completely sealed, and just a first impression, like I do with all car seats. God, I love my job. It's absolutely beautiful. It is so lush. So thank you, Jane. This is an honour. It's really, really beautiful, and I can see the differences straight away. I mean, I'll do a proper review and compare it to the old one, obviously. But from first out of the box, the colour is petrol. It's absolutely beautiful. I love colour at the back of my car. This is absolutely beautiful. It comes with the side impact protection block, which you open up here to put in. There's a little thing here. Tether straps for the car. Obviously, if you already have lower anchors, you just put this, attach the tethers to them like that. The leg is different than the old one, obviously. got one button here, and you can see the bottom of the leg is also different. The headrest is changed. It looks a lot nicer. The small child insert comes with the seat now. You used to have to buy that separate, so that's a bit different. There's also an extra piece of padding under the small child insert here. So if you already have the seat, or if you had this actually was on the old one as well. So if you don't need to use this, there's still one here. And then if you're thinking that, oh, they're getting too tall for the seat, make sure that you have removed the one in there. That might get them even longer in the seat. The locking mechanism has changed. It even makes a nice click. But another thing is the locking clips have changed in colour, which I like, because they used to be black with a little dot on that was blue. This is far easier to see when you're installing seats when it's dark. So yeah, the recline mechanism is also different. Oops, hold the seat now. So yeah, there's a lever under here. Very easy. They made it a bit easier. And then you just hold the lever, take it down again. But yeah, as a very quick first impression, it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm looking forward to testing this with Henry. I'm going to test it with Caitlin as well, because obviously her being 7 and quite tall, it makes a very good comparison of how long they are. But yeah, so this is the Axkid Minikid from Axkid, and it was delivered to us to review, so thank you so much again. It's rear facing from 0 to 25 kilograms. That does not mean it's from birth, it's from 6 months. So baby needs to be able to sit upright. It's also plus tested, which is the stricted crash test in the world, and the only one that measures the neck load on the child's neck, and they test based on a worst case scenario. So plus tested car seats, you can't go wrong. They've taken into account pretty much anything that isn't drowning or fire, and they consider it to be the safest seats for anyone. A plus tested seat that passes is considered to be the safest seat on the market. But yeah, the colour is absolutely beautiful. It's called Petrol, and it's a different petrol than the last seat. The last seat was a lot bluer, like a dark sort of blue. This is like it's got like a little bit of a jeans feel to it because of the fabric colours, and a little bit of like turquoise, dark turquoisey sort of. It's difficult to explain. I'm not a really colour efficient. I mean, there's so many properly names for them, and probably a lot of things I'm saying wrong about the colour, but it's called Petrol, and it's beautiful, and that's the main thing. Now, just something a lot of people don't know. This here, a lot of people ask what these are. They're actually for the sunscreen. So that's what they are. So, and that can be bought separate. So it's not something missing from the box. So yeah, it's take this out. Let's see here. I also know, I'm not going to demonstrate it now, but I also know that getting the cover off in the new one is extremely simple compared to the other one. I got a friend in Sweden. I call her a friend. I've never met her, but you know, a car seat guru friend, Facebook friend, whatever, called Mother, and highly respectable. I've got a lot of respect for her. She knows her shit, and she did a really good video on how to remove the cover, like fast. She does a fast one. She's also got a video about how to install the Minikid in, I think it was 48 seconds or 52 seconds. I don't remember. It was crazy fast anyway. Just to show people that it can be done. It's very simple and easy. I'm going to link both of those. One's on Instagram and the other one's on her YouTube. I don't think the other one is on her YouTube. If it is, I will link that as well. And you can have a link. It's no point doing it twice when someone's already done it perfectly, is it? But yeah, basically, you just pull here, there's zips to pull, buttons, poppers. So it's very, very simple and easy. We've got the airbag thing here. There we go. I just had to raise the headrest. And obviously, not being an octopus, I had to pause the video. So anyway, another small tip before we close off quickly. This is how you put the harness out of the way. A lot of people don't know that. I mean, it's not like it's instructed, but there you go. And that way it makes it a lot easier. You just tuck them in here, like that, like so. Put the child in, prevents harnesses from being tangled and flipped over and all sorts. But yeah. Oh, also, I heard a rumour that the load leg, which we can demonstrate here, is now currently at its longest. It's not actually reaching the floor, which I'm a little bit upset about. But then I heard that they are making a longer leg. So everyone that's got this current model that's just come out will get a different leg if they need it. I'm not going to promise anyone because obviously I'm not an official, but that was what I heard. So if you have problems with the load leg reaching the bottom of the storage compartment because it's not long enough, etc., contact Axkid and they can give you some more info on that. But that was what I heard, so we can hope, because I have quite big storage boxes, but I most likely will put this in the middle. To just get that out of the way, it's just simpler, no fuss. But yeah, so far so good. It also feels more padded than the old version. I mean, some people had issues with the old version and that it wasn't comfortable enough for some children, maybe. But I haven't had an issue with the old version. But it's something I guess they have looked into and decided to make this version more padded. I mean, if you feel this, it's quite soft. But then again, there is an extra insert you can take out in there. But yeah, so that's the Axkid Minikid, given to us by Axkid for a proper review. So thank you very much, Jane. Here's the box. The bits and pieces that we've already gone through. Small child insert. Instruction manual. Please, for the love of the gods, read it. Back to front. Everything you need to know about installing your car seat, how it works, and so forth is in that manual. It's not difficult. I know some people, if you're new to ERF, there's some websites that shall not be known that say it's difficult to install. It really isn't. To give you an example, this is the belt path. It goes across the legs here. this is the locking clip. You open this, you put your belt, collected, both shoulder and lap belt, through here. You tuck it through here. It does not have to be under the cover. You can't put it on top if you're in a hurry. Personally, I like to go under just because it looks nicer, but you don't have to have it under, unless, you know, if you want to be super fast about it. It goes down here. It locks into place. Let's say this is the buckle side. It locks into place. Buckle side, both belts go in. Door side, or if it's in the middle, the side with the retractor side, you only put in the lap belt and not the shoulder belt, and you lock it off. You then, these are, like I said, let's cut that part. Like I said, these are self-tightening. You hear that? Beautiful. It means that once you connect them, you just push down here, give it a wriggle, like you know. Make sure the seat belt is nice and tight to give the top of the belt a wriggle. Make sure that the foot prop is all the way down to the floor. Test for movement on this side with a non-dominant hand down here on the belt path, not up here, down here. It won't move a lot. So that's a quick installation instruction in my living room. But yeah, don't be disheartened. It's rear facing, 25 kilos, approximately 6-7 years old. I have seen 8-year-olds in this seat, or in the old version. It's really long lasting. It is worth the money. Yes, it retails for a little bit, but if you know you're going to need the seat, just start saving early. You know, so there you have it. And I will come back with more videos later on, once it's been installed and when we've been using it and so forth. So in a couple of weeks, 3 weeks time, after we've completely used it, I'll post the review. Can't post a review without actually using the seat, can I? So yeah, this is ERF Mama of ERF Mission on Facebook, or A Rare Facing Family is the name of the blog. Follow us and stay tuned for more reviews. I've got lots coming in March, up until May actually, so there's lots of things happening. So I will see you later. Have a very safe day. It's snowing. I'd like to point out, no heavy coats in the car, no heavy coats in the seats. Goes for adults as well as children, goes for boosters as well as harnesses. Use a blanket or a knitted sweater or a fleecy top or fleecy onesie and a blanket. Stay safe, drive safe most of all. Lots of people probably have problems right now because it's snowing, it's slippery. Anyway, I hope you stay safe and I will see you later.